I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and we are the couple from InspiredTaste.net. And today we are making our easy chocolate chip cookies. This is my go-to chocolate chip cookie recipe, mainly because I do not need a mixer to make them. We start with melted butter, so you just need a spoon, stir it all together, and bake. So simple and so delicious. Let's go make them. Let's talk about the magical ingredient that makes these cookies so easy: melted butter. It simplifies the recipe and gives you the option to add a lovely nutty richness by browning the butter. If you're short on time, browning the butter is completely optional, but trust me, it takes these cookies to a whole new level. The dry ingredients are pretty straightforward. We'll stir together flour, baking soda, and salt. We also need 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. Leaving out the egg white makes the cookies rich and chewy. Mix the eggs with granulated and brown sugar, then add vanilla extract and that butter. Oh, and here's a super secret ingredient: instant espresso powder. While optional, this small addition makes a major difference in flavor. Now mix everything together. You might notice that the dough looks a little dry, but don't worry. Thanks to the butter and egg, there's plenty of moisture in there. Stir in a generous amount of chocolate chips, and you are ready to bake. Now I find that hand rolling the cookie dough works best with this recipe. It's a quick process. And here's a tip for the best chocolate chip cookies: sneak in some extra chocolate chips before baking. This way you'll end up with deliciously gooey pockets of chocolate on top of each cookie. Bake the cookies in a preheated 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven until they turn golden brown around the edges. After removing them from the oven, let the cookies rest on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. And that's it, our favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. We absolutely love this one, and we hope you do too. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.